All. So today we are going to look at how to create a histogram in Excel. So let's say for a class of 20 students, I've listed down the marks that students have obtained in a particular examination. Now, before we create a histogram in Excel, first I'll determine the minimum value. So I'll use the minimum function, min function, and I'll select the marks. So what I'm getting is 12 is the minimum and maximum value of marks rather, I'll use the max function. So I'll select the marks. Right. So 20 is the maximum marks and 12 is the minimum marks. So firstly, I'll create a bin range. I'll write bin range. And so 12 is the minimum that I have to include. Let's say if I start with 11 and a half, taken half as the differentiator. So if I consider I'm taking in bin range till, let's say 20 and a half. So this is inclusive of both the minimum as well as maximum marks over here. Now I'll go to data tab, data analysis, and I'll select histogram. So in the input range, I'll give the class marks. I'll include the label also. And same for the bin range, I'll include the bin range and I'll include the label too and check the labels box. I want the chart output also, so I'll tick that. And in the output range, I'll select where I want to paste the output. So let's say I'll paste it over here in cell K3. Now if I click on OK, so what I'm getting is I'm getting the bin range. So this is telling me that wherein I have the data. So if I see there's no data between 11, 11 and a half, 11 and a half to 12, there is one data element. And same way I brought in the histogram. So this is telling me where the concentration is. So concentration is maximum over here at frequency 0.14. Value is 4. Same way over here at 19 also. So histogram tells us where exactly the data is being concentrated with respect to the frequency. So this is how we are able to create a histogram in Excel. Thank you guys for your valuable time.